I've been an owner here now for 14 years. The complex is 15 years old and it's like a mini botanical gardens.
We heard about the ClimateClever Apartments program from Willoughby Council and heard about the Sydney Water High Rise program and agreed to take part in the plan.
My role here was to do the technical side, the water efficiency audit for the site. That means figuring out where all the water goes across the site and then trying to identify cost-effective options for reducing that water use. The biggest areas of wastage are often quite hidden. In terms of presenting the results for these water efficiency audits, we normally put together quite a detailed report.
We saw the writing on the wall as the committee and I got together with our building management company. We started with the implementation of the water tanks.
We had installed the 2 rainwater tanks to supplement the water supply to the garden.
What Graham does do when the water tanks are full, he turns them on and turns off the main valve from the mains so that the water for the irrigation system comes from the water tanks, so we aren't wasting water.
The big win here was some water being lost in the irrigation system. We found and fixed some pipe leaks and saved about $25,000 a year worth of water.
The main user of water here would be the gardens and then of course the tenants, the users themselves.
Similar with many sites, there was the opportunities inside apartments of small leaks fixing and showers and taps and toilets. In terms of the savings options in the common areas here at Northview, we found the float valves in the roof tanks were not shutting off fully overnight and overflowing.
We found that by rectifying that fault, the saving in water usage for the first year more than paid for the cost of the installation of the additional meters which were suggested by the high-rise project.
Since we've had the meters installed, we can now look at those on a daily basis. That's been excellent in detecting if there are any water leaks and water wastage.
I'd recommend for anybody to get an audit done once and do it properly so you know where your water's going and you've got a clear idea of where to save it and a clear idea of how to keep an eye on it into the future.